In this video, we're going to be going through how to name compounds. We're also going to be looking at how to find formulae from the structure of compounds given a picture, valency and what it actually means. We'll look at a table of valency that you'll need to memorize for your GCSE chemistry, and how to use the valencies to write formulas for more difficult and tricky examples. Finally, we'll be looking at writing formula by balancing charges. Now, many compounds just contain two elements, so it's pretty simple to name them if you know which elements they are. You can usually name the compound by following these rules. When the compound contains a metal and a nonmetal, the name of the metal is given first, and then the name of the nonmetal, but ending with IDE. When the compound is made of two nonmetals, if one's hydrogen, that's named first, otherwise the one with the lower group number comes first, and then the name of the other nonmetal, ending with IDE. But some compounds just will not help at all. They have everyday names that give you no clue about the elements in them. Water, methane, and ammonia are just examples that you come across all the time in chemistry. You just have to remember their formula. Now, every compound has a formula as well as a name, and the formula is made up of the symbols for the elements and often has numbers too. The formula of a compound is related to its structure. Have a look at these three examples and note the differences. In giant structures like sodium chloride and silicon dioxide, the formula tells you the ratio of the ions or atoms in the compound. In a molecular compound, the formula tells you exactly how many atoms are bonded together in each molecule. For example, water, H2O. Now, if you've been following the channel for quite some time, you'll realize that I really am reluctant when it comes to giving you information that you have to memorize. But this table is one of those things that you do have to memorize completely. The reason why is because you don't need to draw the structure of a compound to work out its formula. You can work it out quickly if you know what's called the valency of the elements. The valency of an element is the number of electrons its atoms lose, gain, or share to form a compound. You need to follow 3 steps to write the formula of a compound using valencies. Write down the valencies of the two elements, write down their symbols in the same order as the elements in the name, and add numbers after the symbols if you need to balance the valencies. I want you to have a go at figuring out the formula of hydrogen sulfide. Pause the video and have a go at it. You can scroll back to the green table that you just saw. The valency for hydrogen is 1, and that is half the valency of sulfur, which is in group 6. Sulfur's valency is 2. So you need 2 hydrogens to balance out the valency of sulfur. Have another go. Look at the green table, pause the video, and work out the formula of aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide is a tricky one. The valency of aluminium, which is in group 3, is 3. The valency of oxygen, which is in group 6, is 2. You have to double aluminium to get to 6, and you have to triple oxygen to get to 6. So the formula is Al2O3. You can see there are really no shortcuts. You are really going to have to go back to that green table and memorize it, but you will be able to. To work out writing formula by balancing charges as an ionic compound, you have to realize that the total charge is 0. We've got a great video elsewhere on the channel about everything that you need to know about ionic compounds. In the second half of that video, I take you through quite a few examples of how to do that. Best of luck with your studies. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye.